With taxes this midday, Jeremy, thank you very much. It's Tax Tuesday, and time to get your questions answered about filing your taxes. You've been emailing them to us, and we've got some of them right now. And a lot of the questions coming in are about contributions to an organization or to a retirement plan now that can affect your taxes in 2011. First, let's introduce Virginia Witt with Jackson Hewitt Tax Services. Thanks for joining us this midday.
Thank you for having me.
And as we look back to 2011, those contributions we made to charitable organizations are very important.
Yes, they are. On your Schedule A, it will reduce your tax liability, but please have a receipt for them. I like to say when you give furniture or clothing, make a list of what you're given. Attach it to the receipt that you get from the organization. Put it in your bag with the rest of your tax stuff so that if you're one of the lucky ones to get audited, you have something to show what you used that deduction from.
And should you have an audit, there will be some question about the value of the item that you contributed or the amount that you contributed.
Right. If it's furniture and clothing, they have a list of what is between two numbers of what the value of those items are. That's why I say make a list, and then you can get one of those lists of how much value they'll put on it from any tax office, the IRS website, to give you an idea of what you can claim and feel safe about it.
Can you give me an idea of some of the things that raise red flags? For instance, if I bought a sofa 3 years ago and my wife says, I hate that sofa, so we contributed to a charitable organization, and since it meant so much to me, I value it highly, but the IRS would say, hey, I don't think so.
It's what you think you can sell it for at a garage sale, but don't go low. I mean, don't just make it $10 or something like that. What you think you could sell it for at a garage sale is a good goal to look at.
Gotcha. Now, some of the contributions that people can still make now that can impact your 2011 taxes would be to a retirement plan. And is there a very narrow scope of plans that can provide this benefit or this deduction?
An individual IRA, you can give to that until April 17th. You can do your tax return, and you can say you're given to your IRA. Make sure you're eligible to give to your IRA, and then give it by April 17th. Some people do their tax return, gets a refund, and then put it in the IRA.
And then file again? Or file an
No,
amendment?
I mean, say they put into that IRA, which gives them a little bit more of a refund, and then put it in by April 17th. That's the last day of filing for this year.
That's pretty creative.
Yes.
All right, Virginia Witt, thank you very much. And Virginia's going to be around for a while, and we also need to let you know that we've just kicked off our live tax tips chat at wavy.com. Now, a Jackson Hewitt expert is available right now to answer your questions live in our online chat until 1:30 this afternoon. And we will be back here next Tuesday with Jackson Hewitt, and until then, you can give them a call at 1-800-234-1040 for answers to your tax questions, or you can email them to midday@wavy.com. Still ahead on Wavy News 10.